Back in the days when I started my first agency, I didn't know which niche to pick. So in this video, I'm giving you the resource or the information how I would pick a niche today. And so you can just listen to this video and then take a decision. If you don't know me, my name is Noah Miguel. I started my first agency when I was 14, 15 years old. Then I made already more money than my teacher when I was still in school. Then I closed 6,000 and 8,000 euro deals here and flew around Europe, still in school. Then I dropped out of school because obviously I made a lot of money then back in the days. Then I moved with 20, I moved towards Dubai, and today I'm building multiple businesses, online businesses here in Dubai. And let's get straight into the video. If I would pick a niche today, obviously it depends what agency you have, but companies pay you based on what return they see in your service. And when you have a service, either in the marketing space or you do something with AI, we need to evaluate. So with AI, for example, you can get tasks done faster, more efficient, obviously, more cost effective. And this means you and get them results faster. And when you then focus towards higher industries, or when you focus on industries where are a lot of repetitive tasks and where are a lot of time consuming things, I would focus on in this direction with my AI business. And as well, take a look that this is a growing market. Me, myself, I have also an AI business in a very specific niche. And I would then focus on bigger clients, because when you want to scale your AI business towards $5,000, towards $10,000 per month, you just need to get a 10x return of investment for a client, for example. So when you can save time for a global company and you save them, for example, per month, 100 or 150,000 US dollars just by automating repetitive tasks, so the employees, for example, don't need to spend this time there anymore, then suddenly you have a complete different view. And then you just focus on these, and how to get these clients I will discuss in another video. This is only about finding the niche. Talking about in the marketing agency space, when you have any sorts of services, video editing, filmmaking, building CRM systems, or building funnels, landing pages, whatsoever, automations in this direction, you as well need to just focus on higher value clients. Meaning, when you have the skill to acquire customers through a YouTube channel, when you build a YouTube channel, for example, and you build the funnel, you know how to edit the videos, for example. This is what I was doing with my marketing agency and still doing. And obviously now I'm using this knowledge to use it for my own channels and for my own businesses, for my AI business specifically. Then you can do this, for example, rather for a real estate agency when you acquire a customer, which makes them a couple grand towards, could be also a couple of millions when obviously the property is more worth. But let's stick into it when the property costs, let's say 3 million USD, and they make a commission of 3%, for example. That's $90,000. Okay, you just made them $90,000 when you get them a couple of clients and somebody buys property. You are extremely valuable right now. So per client, you could charge between $3,000 and $10,000 per month, depending on the agency, obviously, and depends on the location. And this is what I would focus on to take your skill, take a look what's the highest return of investment you can do. And then I would pick a niche where you can do this in, and take a look that I would say 80%. The most important thing is that, is this market in a growing market? Obviously, you don't want to do marketing for cinemas or doing marketing for where you can borrow some films. I don't know if you know these stores where you could, back in the days, I was going there with my mother. You could rent a movie for 2-3 days or something, and you don't want to do this for example, for them. And just position yourself in a growing market. And then obviously you need to understand the pain point, and you need to understand the audience somehow to offer some value. So I hope you got some clarity. I have another video down below in the description where I explain exactly how we scale towards $10,000, towards $20,000 deals with my agencies. If you want to take a look at it, it's the first link in the description. When not, that's also fine for me. And we will see each other maybe in the next video. Bye-bye.